ladies and gentlemen, I'm just vlogging about Westlake here. So, Buhay Canada. I'm with my co-worker. He's from Toronto, where I was. So, you know, my posse he's from Scarborough and now from Brampton, where I used to live in Mississauga and Brampton and Milton. So, yeah, we're in Westlake. That's Westlake right here. Check it out. It's a nice place to bring your family during the summertime. With the benches in there. That's it. Check it out. So mga kaibigan, ito po ang Prince George Astronomical Observatory. Ayan. Say hi to the vlog. Najib. That's Najib. Let's see what time they open. Should be written on the door. 7365. This I'm weird about this one. It might have a bear in here. Yeah, one time when I have a friend, we were hiking in College Heights. We saw a bear like eating just from here to there probably. Yeah. And then I said, let's go run. And then he didn't run. He went chase after the bear. It's like, whoa! And then the bear ran. It was funny. Okay, that's the observatory right there. There's the telescope. Oh, there's no entrance? Where the heck is the door? Yeah. Look around for wildlife.
You have lots of
but you can see like elk and moose.
yeah.
Oh, exit only. Use main entrance. So where was the main entrance? Oh, okay. Here's the schedule. Oh, 1 hour. Magandang araw mga ka-vlog. Ngayon po ay punta tayo dito sa Railway Museum ng Prince George. Ito po, kita sa inyo kung ano nasa loob. Okay? See you there. See you there inside. Ito po ang kanilang entrance. $8 admission. Students $7.50. Family pass is $26. Just gonna do some.
This is actually the backdrop here is one of our local lakes.
Ito po
So
ang
the lake is where you're actually standing, hence the blue floor.
Oh, the lake is the lake.
parang real,
Oh, absolutely, go for it.
real life.
So like,
And then they went back underground again. So
Ang ating Railway Museum. Oh, okay.
like at busy times during events and stuff, we actually run multiple trains at the same time. Load them up.
Oh, wow.
Load up the next ones, and the black trailer there is part of our outreach programs. We got about 400 feet of track, and we take it out. Like we just got back from Westlake last weekend. Grand Isle, Terrace, Smithers, Hickson, all the little mini towns around here. Bring our train out there and stuff. Kind of fun to get to see all kinds of people who normally don't get like train rides and stuff. Our service buildings for the local.
Oh yeah.
It's used to be quite common on forestry roads. We managed to salvage this one and turn it into a town. Yep. By a machine company in Vancouver. And then the tracks and all the boats built by volunteers.
So you guys open 7 days a week?
Well, in the summer we're open 7 days a week. In the winter we're open 5 days a week. We
5
just
daes.
went to fall hours now. So
Okay.
It's, Wednesday through Sunday.
Wednesday through Sunday.
This is our pumpkin patch. We just did that this year. Just the pumpkins out of that.
Oh wow.
We impressed ourselves. So, in the winter time, we actually run year round. The train is actually dug out of the snow. That's this high on either side.
Oh wow.
We run it year round as well. Sometimes in late February we give up because we get melt fog. It's all kind of nice. So we get the tracks done. Right now we've got the Jackal River coming in here. Joining it over here.
You get bears coming into the fence inside?
All the time.
All the time?
The fence got destroyed by some trees. We're still waiting for it to get repaired.
Oh yeah.
Miserable bears are in here all the time. Bears in the back. Broke my apple tree here. That's actually a pear tree. So over here, there's tracks right here, and we're in the process of building a heritage station here. So 8 to 10 of our at-risk rail cars will actually go undercover here with a 13-foot wide wheelchair accessible deck up the middle. So we've got the foundations done, the tracks built. Now we're trying to save up the money for the actual timbers to put it up. And then, like I said, a lot of our at-risk rail cars will get to go undercover and finally get a chance to be restored. Right now we can't do a lot of work.
Silo it's called? For burning stuff?
This is called a beehive burner. It's actually a
Beehive.
relatively small one. They usually 2 to 3 times larger than this. So this used to be attached to every sawmill, and what would happen is all the leftover bark and sawdust that they created, if you just let it pile up, of course it takes over your whole sawmill eventually, but it will also spontaneously combust. So that'll burn your sawmill down. So what they used to do is originally they would just dump it in pits and try and burn it. This was a major jump in technology, believe it or not. They would have a conveyor belt that would shoot the sawdust in here, and as it fell, it would blow air through the bottom and incinerate the stuff. this would actually get so hot it would glow red around the top.
Wow.
You can see these things for miles. That thing on the top is actually a damper that controls the airflow. If you have too much air, it will suck the half-burned material and shoot it out the top and set the forest on fire, which is, again, probably not good for business. So. Stuff in here, like illicit materials.
Oh, okay.
But no, they were banned just because they're so horribly polluting, right? Now
Maybe some corpse too they burn?
Yeah, they did find people in here. They used to find them because some homeless people would hide out when it was just like a little bit warm in the outside from the fire, and then the next morning they'd fire up the machines and everything, and they couldn't get out, and then they would get incinerated.
Oh,
so, yeah,
man.
ugly. Yeah, not a nice way to go. Get buried in burning sawdust.
Yeah.
But then onto ships, go halfway around the world and make green electricity. Whatever. Nowadays, this thing is our very own. Like we got this little thing that shoots stars up here at Christmas and becomes our own very bud.
You'll notice all the fruit trees. We've got about 100 fruit trees in the park. I'm just trying to show what we're growing here in George. like the bear, mice eating the trees, and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, we got a ton of apples off these trees this year.
What time around the, I guess,
Well, right now we just picked the apples last week. So, any idea what the white cone is?
It's a NASA spaceship shuttle.
oh, it looks like a capsule. Isn't it?
It does. You know what? Number one answer is space shuttle parts, followed by lid for the beehive burner. Actually, that is a cone shear or pine cone harvester. So what you do is you notice the blades around the top of that thing there.
Yeah.
That would be the
Let's
whole
see.
contraption would be. This whole contraption here would be suspended below a helicopter.
Oh, okay.
And what you do is you fly out into the bush and you look for the right types of cones to be harvested, and that whole thing would be dropped over the top of the tree, and as they lift it up to the helicopter, the branches would get sheared off and dropped into the basket, and that's how we harvest pine cones. Any idea what we do with the pine cones?
What do they do with pine cones?
Burn it. Plant.
No, we sell them to Art Naps for Christmas decorations. No, just kidding. Or,
The world could be that silly.
trust me, if you go to Art Naps and you take a look at the price of pine cones, oh my!
Oh, really?
It's one of those gardening stores.
Gardening stores,
it's
yeah.
nuts. It's so expensive. But no, we actually take them back to a nursery, and you stick them in something that looks like an oversized clothes dryer with holes drilled in it, and you heat the cones up and tumble them, and the cones will open up and drop the seeds out, and that's where we get fresh genetic material for new forests.
Oh, yeah.
Those are actually considered now Class B seeds. Class A seeds are grown in nurseries where they grow the trees and they get them to a certain height, and then what they do is they cut the roots to shock the tree into creating cones, and then that will produce a more consistent quality of seed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, actually, if you look right next to the display building, we haven't got a sign on it yet, but that's the 1 billionth tree planted in the Prince George Forest District.
Oh, wow.
So
We're going to have to take a picture with
1 billion
the
tree.
1 billionth tree, yeah.
Oh, but they don't have a
No, it's if you look between Penny Station and there's a little deck with some speeders on one little tree growing with some bricks around the bottom of it. We're getting a sign made for it, but it's already about this high. It's doing pretty good. We planted it when it was like this, so we'll get to it eventually. We're working on it.
Yeah, time. It takes a while for a tree to grow.
Do you have any questions about the park so far? Or? This truck right here was built in 1943 and hauled artillery in Italy during World War II. Brought back to Canada as surplus after the war, and was converted to an arch truck. And you'll see the big ramp on the back and the winch, and the idea is to grab a big bundle of logs, lift it up, and then drag it out of the bush to a landing or to a place where they would toss it in the river or onto trains or whatever and haul it to the mill.
That's what the other ones does too.
Yeah, you can see there's another one with an arch on. That was a later version of the same type of thing.
The one in Mackenzie, there was a biggest something.
The world's largest tree crusher.
Tree crusher.
So that thing is insane. If you get a chance to go to Mackenzie and do some service calls up there, I'm sure you can think of something. The school, something broke and I can't figure it out. But that thing is enormous. It's made by a Toronto company.
Yeah.
And what it does, it's got this huge
We go inside there later. So yan po ang ating Railroad Museum. Prince George. They have the mini train here for a small fee. $8 per adult. $28 for family. Up to 6 to 7 people. just not sure. So ayan po mga kaibigan, ang ating Railway Museum sa Prince George, British Columbia. Sana ay na-enjoy nyo ang ating vlog today. At abangan sa susunod na mga vlogs. See you. Yan po at napagod. Kaya nakaupo na lang. Okay, bye-bye.